Unwrapping the Magic of Holiday Decorations. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a festive and colorful topic: holiday decorations. Whether it's twinkling lights, vibrant wreaths, or cozy ornaments, holiday decorations are an essential part of celebrations around the world. Let's explore what they are, their significance, and how they vary across cultures. Stay tuned to unwrap the magic behind these decorative wonders. Holiday decorations are items used to adorn indoor and outdoor spaces during celebratory times of the year, especially on holidays. These can include lights, wreaths, ornaments, and more. Their primary purpose is to enhance the festive atmosphere, bringing joy and beauty to special occasions. From the sparkling Christmas tree to the luminous lanterns of Diwali, holiday decorations are a universal expression of festivity and cheer. Decorations do more than just beautify our surroundings. They hold deep cultural and emotional significance. They can symbolize hope, renewal, and the spirit of giving. For example, the Christmas tree represents life and growth in the heart of winter, while Diwali lights symbolize the victory of light over darkness. These symbols help bring communities together, fostering a sense of unity and celebration. Every culture has its unique way of decorating during holidays. In this section, we'll take a global tour to see how different cultures celebrate through decorations. Christmas, characterized by trees adorned with ornaments, lights, and stars, symbolizing the festive season. Diwali, known for its stunning array of lamps and candles, illuminating homes and streets. Hanukkah, celebrated with the lighting of the menorah, a 9-branched candelabrum. Chinese New Year, decorated with red lanterns, banners, and intricate paper cutouts to usher in good luck and prosperity. One of the joys of holiday decorations is the possibility to create your own. DIY decorations can be a fun family activity that allows for personal expression and creativity. We'll share some simple and eco-friendly ideas to get you started, from handmade ornaments to upcycled wreaths. Crafting your decorations can also be a meaningful way to create new traditions and memories. We hope this journey through the world of holiday decorations has brightened your day and inspired you to bring a little extra cheer to your celebrations. Remember, it's not about the grandeur or the expense but the love and thoughtfulness that goes into decorating. Whether you're hanging a single strand of lights or transforming your home into a winter wonderland, it's the spirit of the holiday that truly matters. Thank you for joining us, and happy decorating. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative videos. See you in the next one.